Hello students, good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to our uh, lesson for this week. It's all about addition numbers. Okay. So before that, I'm going to tell you what is addition. So you can follow me while we are going to read this meaning of addition. Okay, so addition is the process of putting items together and counting the total numbers in the sheet. So that is addition. We talk about counting numbers, the total of the sheet of the numbers. Okay, so basically I'm going to show to you some important pictures that you might be understand adding numbers sheet by sheet. Okay. So if we have 2 apples, okay, and some gives us 3 more, we end up with a total of 5 apples. Okay, so you have to add together. All of that is 5 apples. Okay, here. So we have here in upper we have 2 apples, and here we have 1, 3, 4, 5. So we conclude that 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 5. Okay, 5 apples. Okay, so if we are going to write into word, we have 2 apples plus 3 more apples and equal 5 apples. Okay, so this is the chart. Okay, we have to like right here 2 apples plus 3, and then we count all of that is equal 5, and it's an apple in rows. So like this, when we counting, we start basic. Okay, in the numbers. Okay, we just made a picture here to identify how many items or how many seats of the number. So like here, 1, okay, 2 1 apples and 2 cats, 3 oranges and 4 flowers, then 5 birds. Okay, next one. So here, 6. What is this? Dogs. Okay. We have here 7. This is color pencils. Okay, and 8. I think apples. And then 9 flowers. Then 10 fishes. Okay. So we set the number, okay, through the pictures so that you might be able to count and add the number individually. Okay, so in addition, okay, bringing 2 or more than numbers, okay, or things together to make a new total. Okay, example here. Here, 1 ball is added, okay, to 1 ball. So 1 ball plus 1 ball equals 2 balls. Okay, so in other words, 1 plus 1 equals 2, like that. So here, 3 plus 2 equal 5. So 3 balls plus 2 balls equal 5 balls together. Okay, so if we have to see these whole numbers of addition, okay, we have to make a line. Okay, so it is the number line show that numerals in order of value. So like this. So 0, then we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So adding all the numbers in line. So like this. 2 plus 5 equal 5. We have to see like see here. So we have to write here in this part like from here two lines, and then we have to write it plus. So 3, then here equal, and then 5. So in other words, so we have to write like 2. What is this? Pineapple fruits plus 3 pineapple fruits, and it is all about all of them are 5 pineapples. Okay, so like this. So measurement of modeling. Okay, in this model, the addition is performed on a number line. Okay, for example, to calculate 3 plus 4, okay, like this. Okay, we have to count 1, 2, 3. So here, from here, and going to, we have to, if we have to add another stepping or jumping. So if we're going to write, we are going to total. So all of them is, we have to stop here the arrow, okay, from 7. So 3 plus 4, so here, then the arrow stop from here, 7. Okay? So, it like the same. Okay? We draw an arrow with a length 4 to starting from the end of the previous arrow. So number 3, the sum is then the length of the 2 arrows combined together this way. Okay, so anyway, we can have more example this week for our for your lesson. Okay, in another way. So count from a number upwards. Okay, so example here. So we made like if we think like number 6, 7, 8, and 9. So from here, we're numbering 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so in other ways, jump to, we have like a strategy, counting. You can also count by 2s or by 10 or make any jump. We want to help you to solve a calculation. Okay, like this, for example, 4 plus 12. Okay, so from here, we start from here and we jump like from here, 12 here, and then we conclude that 4 plus 12, then we count how many times, 1, 2, okay, so we have to plus 1, and in total of all is 16. Okay, so 16. 4 plus 12 equals 16. Okay, so this is only an alternative, okay, numbers line model for addition. So anyway, it's not, I just tell you, while we have to learn in addition, just we have to compare, okay, comparing the way how I explained to you. So this model is like a bunny, okay? Okay, is sitting above the number 0. This is a bunny, okay? So it's home base facing the right, okay, facing the right. Then which the positive direction, and will jump forward if has to perform an addition problem. So if we have to, we are adding, so example, we make the line, and then we are going to numbering it from 0, 1, 2 until bigger number. Okay? So if we are going to jump, okay, jump here from number 2. So we are going to jump again. So it depends how much the number we add or we set together. Okay. Okay. From here, example. Okay, just here. 2 plus 4. Okay, a rabbit will start at 0. Okay, facing right. Then it's hop forward to 2 units because it sees 2 in the beginning. So 2, we have to jump here. Okay, 2. And then we have 2 plus and then 4. So it will be how much? We'll jump. Okay, 2 plus 4 will be jump in 6 number. Okay, like this. Okay, you can say that example. Okay. Then the rabbit from 2, okay, here, and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, until 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay. Okay, the same example. Okay, so in other words, okay, that we learn about this addition lesson. You have to remember that names for adding are, we have like sum, okay, sum, okay, and plus, sum, plus, increase, and total, okay, and the numbers to be added together are called the addends, like this, okay, 8, we have 8, this one is plus, okay, 8 plus 3, so equal how much? 11. So both number is called addend number, okay, addend number, and 11 is what we call is sum, okay, in addition. We call the answer is sum. Okay, so I'm going to read this before we go to another slide. Adding numbers with 2 digits, adding numbers with 1 digit is pretty straightforward. In general, you can do it mentally or use your fingers. You can use your fingers, adding 0 to another numbers, never change the numbers, okay? If we're adding 0, there is no changes, okay? There is changes. But when we're adding any digit numbers from different number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until bigger number, there is no changes. Okay, step 1, in addition, the 1 place number is take, the to carry, okay, to take the carry to the next step. 2, add the tens place number and also add the carry and over the new carry to the next step. Continue this process for every place in the given number. Okay, the rules for addition, like this. Okay, the rightmost column is, if this column contains only 1 digit, we just write the digit under the column we are adding. So B, we need to go on to the next column and repeat the same procedure. Okay, so if we are to write the addition like this, okay, so might be like this, okay, like 36 plus 17. Okay. Just consider that the symbol with plus just right here, supposed to be right here, okay, but just consider it. But anyway, when I give you the worksheet, I will put the symbol from the right side. Okay. So from here, we have 2 added numbers, 36 and 17. So we have to like add. Okay, 6 plus 7, it is 13. So 13, we have two number. So we cannot write 13 together. So we have to carry 1. Okay, we carry 1 into a tens place number from here to above the 3. We have to write 1. So we have to add again. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Then plus 1 equals 5. So our sum is 53. Okay, our sum is 53. So here, example another one. 8 plus 6, how much? 8 plus 6 equals 14. So we cannot write 14 here. So we're going to carry 1 up in the number 5 in the tens place. So we have to add together. Okay, 5 plus 4 equals 9. But we have remaining 1 here. So we have to add 1 again. So the total of all is 10. So right here, 104. Okay, so 104. So that might be easy. Okay, so never mind. I just want to tell you the basic. Okay, when we adding the numbers. Okay, so in the above we add the ones column first, then we carry over the tens to the tens column. The one that we carry over has a place value of 10. Okay, however, there is no need to write 10 because as we saw before, in the place value putting 1 here in the tens place means that there is a 1 tens. Okay, so this one, example, a man sold 230 balloons at a carnival. In the morning, he sold another 86 balloons in the evening. Question is, how many balloons did he sell in all? So in the morning, he sold 230. So in the afternoon, he sold how many? 86. So we have to, if we have to add or plus, so the sum of the balloons that is sold for whole day is equal of 360. Okay, so like this. So the charts show to you that where the numbers belong in. So here we have here hundreds, tens, then ones. How many ones? 1 there, 6 ones. Okay, how many tens? There are 1 tens. So how many? All of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 all together. Okay. And here, how many hundreds? 3. So there are 316 balloons he was sold on that day. Okay. So like this. Okay, I hope that you can see it. Okay. Addition in column, use no equal sign. So from here, so we are going to add, doing like this. So 5 plus 5, 10. So from here, 897 and plus 368 is equal of 1,265. Okay. So complex, this one is simple, complex, and the other is complex. Okay, example here. Okay, so we have here the number like 56 plus 75. So we have the balloons, 6 balloons, and here we have here how many stars? There are 5. Okay, 5 stars. So if we have to plus, okay, 6 plus 5 equals 11. Okay, from here in a tens place, okay, we have here 5 triangles, and then we have plus right? Plus here, and then we have what is this diamonds. We have seven diamonds. So if we are going to add together, 5 plus 7 is what? 12. Okay. So if we have to add all together, okay, 56, okay, plus 75 equal 131. So thank you very much for your listening at this time. But I'm going to show to you that when we adding the numbers in two-digit adding numbers, we just count from, we start from the first place, okay, or one's number, okay, one's number, like this, 6, okay, 6 plus 9, or 9 plus 6, okay, we have to add, okay, 15, like that, and then we have to carry 1, and then, so 8 plus 3 equals how much? 11, and plus 1 it is 12, so the answer is 125, okay, so like this, 78, okay, plus 34 equals 112. Okay, so 93 plus 52 equals 145. So 98 plus 99 equals 197. So you have to count the first place or the ones place number, okay, from here like that, and then go to a tens place. So thank you so much for your listening, and I hope you enjoy while you are watching this lesson. And thank you to the teacher Mel for helping me. And goodbye. Sawadee ka.